Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into the exciting world of JavaScript and outline a comprehensive roadmap for mastering this versatile programming language. Whether you're a beginner looking to kickstart your journey or an experienced developer aiming to deepen your skills, this roadmap will guide you through the essential steps to become proficient in JavaScript. By the way, JavaScript is a powerful, high-level, interpreted programming language used primarily for building dynamic and interactive websites. It's the cornerstone of web development, enabling developers to create everything, from simple scripts to complex web applications. To begin your JavaScript journey, you have to start with the fundamentals of JavaScript, like its variables, data types, operators, control structures and functions, along with their role in modularizing code. Understanding these basics is crucial to master JavaScript. Let's outline a structured roadmap to master JavaScript step by step. 1. Basic concepts. Start with free online tutorials and courses on platforms like Codecademy or FreeCodeCamp. Almost everything I have learned on FreeCodeCamp. There you can learn basics of JavaScript along with its advanced concepts with fascinating examples. There you learn not only JavaScript but all the stuff you may want to learn in programming. 2. DOM manipulation. DOM stands for Document Object Model. It represents web pages as a tree structure composed of nodes and elements and enable you to interact with the web page's content. In simpler terms, it helps you to work with HTML elements like paragraphs, images, forms, etc. It means using DOM in JavaScript, you can change anything. Step 3. Asynchronous JavaScript. Now that you already know DOM manipulation and basics of JavaScript, then you should learn asynchronous programming in JavaScript. If you don't know what actually is asynchronous programming, well, it allows tasks to be performed independently and enables operation like fetching data from a server, or reading files, or just waiting for user input to occur concurrently with other tasks without blocking the execution of the entire program. In other words, with asynchronous programming, you use some callbacks, promises, and async await syntax. And this syntax helps to do all those tasks independently. Step 4. Focus on ES6 features. It is kind of significant update to the JavaScript programming language that introduced several new features and improvements. Learning ES6 features will improve your readability, enhance your productivity in programming with better performance, and you will be able to use modern language features. ES6 features includes let and const, arrow functions, template literals, restructuring assignment, spread and rest operators, modules, classes, and promises. After these features, you will be able to write code clear, organized, and it will help you understand each single line of code very easily. Overall, it offers you powerful tools. Step 5. Frameworks and libraries. After you know everything in JavaScript, like it's all features, now you should go for JavaScript libraries or frameworks. There are many popular JavaScript libraries you can go with, like React.js, Vue.js, and Angular.js. With these libraries, you can create super scalable and interactive web applications. By the way, whatever we talked in this video is just basics of JavaScript. And only for web development, what you listen to is just for web development roadmap. So focus over all those things to improve your skill sets in web development, whether it is with JavaScript libraries or just you want to use JavaScript only in your website. And now we are going to talk about what else you can with JavaScript programming language. Actually, JavaScript is versatile programming language. First and foremost, JavaScript is primary programming language for web development, but you can also use JavaScript for mobile app development, server-side development, IoT development,